Hi guys, Being Brianna here. I am here to share with you my favorite Onyxbox products ever. But before we get started, please hit down below and subscribe to my channel. I have been receiving Onyx boxes for the past, I want to say maybe 6 or 7 months, and I have a bunch of products that I have most definitely fell in love with because of Onyx Box. So, if you do not know what Onyxbox is, it is curated for women of color, and you can check out all of my Onyxbox unboxing if you have any questions. But I'm here to show you my favorite products. So let's get started. Starting out with makeup products, I received this makeup brush. It's from Luxie and it's a tapered highlighter brush. This brush have come in handy. The bristles is very soft. Next product that I received is this Medusa's Makeup Witch Lash, and this is awesome. I have it on my eyes right now, and these are my real eyelashes. It most definitely defines them very good. So this is the Medusa's Makeup Witch Lash, and I love a mascara with this kind of brush. I love it. It's like plastic. Next, I'm going to go into body and skin care. As far as face, I have received this Goat Milk's Moisturizing Day Cream. This is my second one of these. I'm almost done. I try to use this sparingly, and I only really need a little bit to make my face moisturized. This is from the brand Ziaja. I don't know. I follow them on Instagram, but I will post everything down in the description box. But this moisturizer is so light and it's so moisturizing on the face. Next, I'm going to get into this Eye Beam Oil from Lua. It rolls on to your eye, well, up under your eye, and you just want to pat it in softly, you know, to help those dark under circles. This have a bunch of good oils in it to just help with your eyes. The next skin product is from Erin's. This is Erin Faces. This is the Rose Quench Serum. This is also my second one of these. I love it. It's so soft. It's so light on the face. She has a lot of good natural products. Follow her on Instagram. But this is really good, and it's for all skin types. Next was this Kane and Austin. These are Retexture pads. They gave us a sample, a 5-day sample of the 30%, and I wish I would have got that one, but I bought this one during Sephora VIB sale, and I just got the 10% ones. But I loved this so much. When it goes, well, when Sephora have another coupon, I may get another one. They send us this. Oh, you know what? I forgot another favorite, but I'm not going to go get it. This is from Pūrlisse, and this is a Korean skincare line, and this is a mask. I've already used the other one. I think I already used, I want to say it was rice milk, and I know I'm going to love this one. I also love they have a face cream, well, no, a face wash that they actually sent in a previous Onyx box. I love it, from the same brand. Guys, you really have to get onto the Korean skincare brands because they are doing some really good things. If you do not know the benefits, look it up, because there's a lot of great benefits from using Korean skincare brands. The next one, and I believe that this could be Korean too. This is from Skinesque, and I already used the charcoal one. They sent us 2 of these face masks, and I know that this is going to be absolutely awesome. This is Aqua. Last but not least, this is by far my favorite product that I have received from Onyxbox ever. Okay, because this is worth $20 in Sephora. So this is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And hunty, let me tell you, it smells so good. I've seen this on Glam Twins YouTube channel. I've seen it in Sephora. It smells so good. I wore this when I was going out one night and I did not get one mosquito bite. If you know me, if you know me, mosquitoes love me. And this has a very sweet smell to it. I don't know what was going on that night, but the mosquitoes left me alone. So this was a big win. I love you, Onyxbox, for this because I don't hardly use it because I don't want to have to pay $20. I paid $25 to get this in a box with other products worth $75. So that's all of my favorite products that I have ever received from Onyxbox. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one.